What a beast indeed. Why is this sitting here? Why is the Saab in the garage? Yes, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. This is a Bitzer episode. Today's episode, this very one that I'm working on right now, and I'll go upstairs and edit soon. If you're new here, g'day. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate that. A lot's been going on. We've had attempted robbery, attempted break-in. We have sold, I don't know if you can see, but there's no longer a Mazda in my yard. It's not out there. And it's not in here. We've got the beast here. We've got Absurd in here, Absurd Saab. Yes, indeed, there is no Mazda 626. It's been sold. I'll catch you up to date with that in a minute. And we've also had an attempted robbery or break-in at the FMR headquarters. Someone has used a very rudimentary device. Found this at the base of the garage doors, just underneath the door handle and locks. They've fashioned this to try and get into the lock on both of them, and have since damaged the actual door handles. They're all loose now and not functioning properly. So that has occurred. So today you'll see us, my kiddies and I, head off for a bit of an adventure. We go and buy ourselves a security camera, and we've installed a security light since. So watch out, Mr. Burglars. Don't you dare come here. Okay. 626 Mazda is long gone. Didn't get any footage of that. The guy was not interested at all. So we did sell that for $18.50. A big come down or a big loss on what we thought we'd get. We still made $250 profit, but the guy I was over it. I'd had enough, and the guy, I think he picked up on that, and he really honed in on a few of the issues, and he paid for it on the spot, so I wasn't whinging. We made $250, and we made $4,000 out of the laser. So out of both cars, we profited $4,250, which is good. It's luckily for the laser, I'd say. But anyway, so yeah, sit back, chill out. We're going to just catch up on the installation of the security camera and the security light. And I'll be using a little bit of footage from my shorts video, which I had thrown out there when this literally happened on the moment in the day. So I might go and, I don't know, pick my nose, or pick the lock. My kids know what that means. With this, and we'll catch you later. I'm an idiot. All right, see ya. So I had the car out here for the guy to inspect, the 626. He came at 6 p.m. on the Thursday night 2 weeks ago to test drive and everything, and we put the car away into the garage, and I locked it. And then the next afternoon when I got home from work, took the car back out and parked it here again, ready for the guy to come and get it. And as I went to close the door, this was sitting here, just also innocently. And at first I thought, oh, that's fallen off the Mazda. But then I thought, no, I've been driving the Mazda for ages. Couldn't be that. And then as I picked it up, I found it sat in my hand rather nice. And then I looked at this, and it's completely loose. And then I looked at that and went, oh, well, I'll be damned. So someone's had a go at it, so that immediately sparked me into action. It stressed me, so we've taken action and gone and bought some things. Yeah, mate. I'm a YouTube vlogger now. Come on. So we're going out for a coffee, and then we're going to go find ourselves a camera, so we don't get robbed. Hey?
Another one?
Another what?
Another camera?
No, well, a security camera.
Oh, you're going to do that?
No, no. Should have gone coffee, but it doesn't look like. But the guy's not in there. He made it last time.
This is true. This is good. Dad, don't.
Num num.
I love these guys. It's still needs some quite, yeah, I'd work here.
Not quite as good, but it's
It's a
good.
bit more bulletproof.
Yeah, it's not as...
I feel like I'm eating a lip balm.
Did you unlock it? Entry only. Let's have a look. We've got lights. We just walked through the fertiliser section. Ugh. Yes, always very smelly, the fertiliser section. After walking around Bunnings for what seemed like an eternity, we did find the cameras at the front of the store. Cheap and nasty, but it'll do. This has been opened too, look at that. I won't take that one, eh? So we have, look at that, streaming. We can do YouTube, rechargeable battery, and it plugs in and we can charge it on a USB cable. See and record activity, link to phone, weatherproof, $100. Dunsky. Alrighty, we are home and new security light is installed. I'll throw in some footage of that from the shorts video. We're going to try and fit a, just gone and got this, my parents gave it to me, a sensor light because I do not have one at the front of the house. Seeing as we've had an issue recently, I'm going to install that this afternoon. A couple of screws, drill some holes, bada bing, bada boom, she should be right. Plugging it in helps, that'll be good. Is all good, all sorted. Now I've just got to work out what all the buttons do and make it work so that when the thief bastards get here, I can catch them. Let's go to the camera. Woohoo, camera. All right, so we're in the spare bedroom, no longer in use, and if I look outside, I can see. So I'm wondering if I set the camera up in here, because no one can take it, and I've got access to power. What do you reckon? Let's have a look anyway. Mind you, might be a bit of a problem with that ledge there. Got to install an app, of course. Okay. All right, I'll get back to this. All right, I'm back from outer space. I have finally worked it out. I had the wrong friggin' Wi-Fi code going on, but I have this now working. If you have a look down here, you can, oh look, you can see me looking at me with the other camera. Can you see that? Hello. I don't know if you saw that, but anyway, so that is now working. What blows my mind is what you can do now compared to what I could do 15 years ago on phones and shit. It's amazing stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna screw that in the bedroom here. It does charge up like a phone. I just plug it in every day and give it a bit of a charge. And yes, security is leveled up at the FMR Home House Garage. Stay tuned. Camera's installed, pretty simple. I'll just unplug it and charge it up every day. Good view of the yard, as you can see. So, bugger any bastard's gonna show up in my yard and take my cars. So that's it for me today. We'll see you later. Hopefully this will deter any of the people that wish to enter my domain. Anyway, cheers folks. Hope you're having a good time. Have a good weekend and we'll see you next time. Ciao.